Welcome back to my space, guys. In this video I'll be showing you how I run my activities on OCTRA Testnet. So I want to send some transactions. So once you enter the pre-client on GitHub, once you enter the pre-client, you open up the space. So once the OCTRA pre-client and code space opens up, you copy some of the commands to open the wallet page again. These two commands are the command. This is my wallet address where I will be transacting to. So the first command I will be using is OCTRA pre-client. Okay, the second command is the run.sh. And after inserting the command, you wait for it to run and it will show up the wallet explorer. So this is the OCTRA Testnet wallet, and this wallet, this is where I'll start to run my transactions for today. Now, if you are not used to this, what you are having here is the OCTRA wallet. In this section, these are the commands that you use to perform activities in this wallet. Now, number 1 is to send transaction, number 2 is to refresh the wallet, number 3 is to multi-send, number 4 is encrypted balance, is to encrypt your balance, 5 is to decrypt, 6 is private transfer, 7 is claim transfer, 8 is export, and so forth. So the sending of transaction, the number 1, if I want to send transaction to a wallet, I just click number 1. Once I click number 1, as you can see here, I click the enter button and they will ask me to input a wallet address. I input the wallet address and amount. I input the amount. You can write a message, it's optional, and I use yes or no. Y is for yes, N is for no, and yes. I enter it, then you can see it. I press enter again the second time. I just sent a transaction. Let me repeat it again. Number 1 is the command to send transaction. You input the address, you input the amount. This is optional, you can just enter. Yes, you enter. So that is how to send the normal transaction. Then there is what is called the encrypted transaction. That encrypted transaction is what is also known as private transfer. Private transfer, before you can do it, you have to encrypt some of your crypto coins. How do you do that? You use the number 4 command. When you press number 4, you press enter. You encrypt some balance. I can put 1. Let me encrypt 1. Encrypt 1, yes or no? Yes. So I just encrypted it now. So without encrypting some of your balance, you cannot send private transaction with the command 6. Now let me decrypt some of my coins with command 5. Okay, I have 19 encrypted balance, so let me decrypt some. I decrypt 5. yes, and I decrypt. Says duplicate transaction. I have to try it again. So that is how to decrypt. Now, when you yourself received a private transfer from another tester, you have to receive that transaction. That is, you have to claim that transaction. You have to claim transfer using the command 7. So you claim private transfer. They don't just enter your balance, your wallet immediately. You have to claim it. Now, once you input it, I have 16 claimable transfers. So I will use number 16. I will claim the 16th transaction there. So if I claim again, now I have 15 claimable. I use 7, input 15, and I claim it. Let me reduce this again. I'll use 7, use 14, and that is me claiming the 14th transaction. Then use 7, enter 14, sorry 13 now, because I just claim 14. So that is me claiming the 14th transaction. Now I'll be sending a transaction, a private transfer, which is using the command 6. This is also known as encrypted transaction. You have to encrypt token first. So I'll be sending 1. Sorry, that is a wrong command 6 again. The recipient address, this is it here. The amount 1, yes or no, yes. So I press enter to complete the transaction. Number 6 again. I want to still send private transfer things. Wallet. Oh, I'm touching the wrong stuff. I've entered the wallet. The amount is 1. Yes. And I'll approve it again. Network is kind of delaying the whole stuff. So says duplicate. Why? You have to wait a little bit. Sending encrypted or private transaction is not as fast as sending the normal transaction. This is the normal transaction. It's very fast. Normal transactions are very fast. This is the address I'm sending the normal transaction. Amount is 1. So you can send normal transaction repeatedly without waiting. I'm sending another one again to address. But for encrypted transaction, you have to wait a little bit. Yes, so let me go and send the encrypted transaction again. 7 recipients. This is me being fast, but the network is doing somehow. So guys, basically these are the activities now on OCTRA Testnet. This video is getting too long unnecessarily. I have to stop it. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. To be available on TikTok too.